Stealth balls of stealth gonna stealth. Nobody's gonna know they're around, making no sound, even when their feet hit the ground. And when they're cutting off heads, taking names from the dead, you'll still feel the chill when they pop up behind you. Is it honor or grace, or a slap in the face when they sneak into your hidden fortress and take you out? What is that about? Will it leave stains on the bathroom grout? I don't know, and I hope I never have to discover. Because when you find those secrets, it's nothing like finding a lover who has been cheating on you with one guy or two. Unless the guy's a girl, which is possible, because I don't know what you're into. And far be it from me to pass judgment on that. You probably get enough treatment like that from your little house cat. And yeah, it might be a dog, a lizard, bird, or even a mug. But cats are more appropriate as ninjas of the animal kingdom because they have stealth. Except when they fall off your shelf in the middle of the night. And you know that is right. I mean, you know it happens. Admit it. If you did, my ninja friend might let you live. Might.